time to wake up, time to stretch. Stretch, 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 guys. Good morning. Time to stretch. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning to you. Ah. 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 Stretch, guys. I need to wake up now. I need to wake up. Wake up now because I'm going to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you guys. Warm up sa umaga guys because I want to sleep but I need to get up myself. Yes. Thank you very much once again. See you soon. And happy Thursday to us. All of us now is going to Christmas guys. Countdown na tayo sa Christmas. So keep on smiling. God bless you all. Always think positive.